all the written work, I will ask you to send it to me later. Okay, not now, later. Now just see, we are going to start. Take a new page. Just listen to the instructions. Please write 15-9. That's enough. Children, those who are coming in late, I don't know how to inform you all. They are not in class and they'll come in between and disturb. Now listen here. Now 1 minute. Please write Roman number 2. Please write Roman number 2. I want everybody to write. Let me see. Please write Roman number 2 in the margin. John, did you write, John? Roman number 2 in the margin you pick. Children, if you are not listening to me, I'm going to inform principal ma'am. Afterwards, don't tell me you did not complete. Written work, some children are very bad.
Good morning, ma'am.
See, Riha, you have to join before. Please write Roman number 2. And they are starting. Oh, it's okay, Riha. Roman number 2 in the margin, new page. Every time I cannot be seeing you, children. When I'm seeing, they are opening the book. Please open your English classwork. Write Roman number 2 in the margin. Write the date. Be good, children. Now, one by one, joining. Roman number 2, answer. Only write capital A. Right now, write capital A. A-N-S-W-E-R. Answer. That's all. It's not on the screen. You're big enough to write Roman number 2, answer. No need to write answer the following also. Kailina, hurry up, please. Roman number 2, answer. Now we are going to start. Number 1. I want Shashwada to read this question. Please write within 2 blue lines. We have written just little bigger. Within the 2 lines you have to write, okay? Touch the line. Shashwada, read this question.
Who built their homes in the jamun tree?
Already past tense. Very good. Who built their homes in the jamun tree? Only W is capital. Please write the question neatly within your 2 blue lines. Don't leave any line in between. Who? W-H-O. You write within your double rule. O, all the small letters. W-H, all this will go up. L-T. J must come down. Who built their, T-H-E-I-R, their homes, H-O-M-E-S, in the jamun tree, I-N-T-H-E. I'm not going to spell the word, already you know the spelling. In the jamun tree, please write neatly. Every second I'll have to see all. I'm not going to call anybody because children are not responding. Who's that? Yes. Sanjit, who built? Okay, Cyrus, no need to show Cyrus. I'll ask you. Now, after the question, leave a line for answer. After the question, leave a line, write A-N-S, capital A-N-S for the answer. Kushagra, did you write? I'll wait. Okay, I'll wait. John, did you write, John?
No, ma'am.
Okay, please write. I don't want any more no from John. Whenever I'm telling, you're disturbed. After writing the question, John, you have to read that question to me. You finish, then read. You after writing, I said. Who built their homes in the jamun tree? I'm just waiting. Who built their homes in the jamun tree? Don't write the answer. Leave one line. Leave one line. I know Cyrus is writing. I can see. Leave one line. Write A-N-S. What happened? Riha just please write the question. Don't ask anybody's help. Sachin, did you write the question? Kanira, can you tell me the answer, Kanira? Okay, Sachin, good.
Ma'am, birds, ma'am.
Who?
Birds.
Leave one line, write A-N-S. Please leave a line. Thank you. 1 minute. The birds. Okay, don't write birds. The birds built. Children, just look at the question. Instead of who, you are writing only the birds. Rest of the things you are copying from the question. We may not ask you these question and answers and all that. All general we will ask from the textbook. The birds, don't write birds. The birds built their homes in the jamun tree. No need to learn it by heart. You must know only who. Instead of who, write the birds. Good. The birds built their nest in the jamun tree. Actually, the line must come little down, no problem. The birds built their nest in the jamun tree. Next one. Leave a line. All of you leave a line. Number 2. I will wait. Who's that? Now, leave a line. Write 2. Children, you must write within double rule neatly. Okay, small letters. Big letters must go up. Yes. After writing, you all must sit up straight. Jeff, did you write?
Yes.
Actually, you must draw a line with your scale on the next line. Those who do not have a scale, you can just wait. Draw a line. Next line. That only leaving a line. Okay. Then write number 2. Write number 2. Because on the screen, we are not leaving line. The birds. All small letters must come within 2 lines. Don't worry about double rule. Just leave that. In your book, you write neatly because we have written little bigger. The birds built their nest in the jamun tree. Next one, number 2. Leave a line, number 2. I want Shamma to read this. Read the question, Shamma. Second one. Shamma.
Why did Yes, ma'am.
Please read, ma. Why did
the 3 men come to the village?
Okay, village. Okay. Why did the three men come to the village? Do you know the answer? Just tell me casually. For what? Just tell one
They
word.
came to cut
Yeah,
trees.
okay. Now, please write the question. Why? WHY. Don't see the first line. You just see the down line and complete it. Okay. Why did the three men come to the village? By now, you must be knowing how to write. Let me see. Let me see. Kushagra, did you write? Shashwata? One of you, those who finished. Who finished writing, just show me the notebook. Okay, slowly. I'm giving you time. Just closer to the camera. Yes, good. Because the small letters must touch both the lines. Who's this? First one, 1 minute. Samantha, good girl. Good. Okay, enough. I just want to know whether you have completed. Kanira, read that question, please. Why?
Why did the three men come to the village?
Village. Now, leave a line. Leave a line. Write ANS. Here we did not leave. I'm asking you to leave a line. ANS. Answer. See from the question. Leave why did. The three men did come. For that came. Past tense. The three men came to the village to cut trees. Very easy. The three men came to the village to cut trees. The three men came to the village to cut trees. The three men came to the village. Kushagra, don't look here and there. The three men, you can get the spelling from the question. That's the way you have to learn. The three men, capital T. Yes? Why, John? Your sister is helping you. John, you write. The three men. John, what's happening? Did you write the question? You show the camera closer to you. I can see only your hair. Yes, little up you sit. Come on. Adjust your camera. I want to see you writing. The three men. I cannot see you writing. Only your head I can see. Adjust your camera. Yes. And where is the first answer? Read the first answer, John. You never wrote. John, from your notebook, read the first answer. You did not write. John, show me your notebook. Show me your notebook, John. Okay, please read the first question. Where is the answer for it? Read the answer from the notebook. No, I'm not asking him because he's showing only the hair. Yeah. No, I cannot hear anything. Okay, John, answer me. Did you write the first answer?
Yes, ma'am.
Please read, John.
The birds build their nests in the jamun tree.
Very good. Now, where is the second question? Again, you're going back. I can only see your name on the screen. Nothing else. Yes, you have to be like this. Where is the second question? Did you write second question? Yes or no? Yes or no?
Ma'am, I'm writing.
Every time when I'm seeing you, you are doing something, John. Please be attentive. Today's the last chance. Okay, write neatly. I will go back to the screen. Please write. Why did the three men... Children, you have to write in class with me. After that, I don't want any complaint telling that you did not understand. Nothing to learn by heart. We may not give you this question, but from the lesson. That time, don't tell that Hari ma'am did not teach. Now, why did the three men did come? Did come is the question. So you must start the three men from the question. Not necessary to copy the answer what I'm giving. The three men came to the village for what? To cut trees. I want everybody to complete this. I want Rida, please read this question and the answer. Rida.
Why did the three men coming to
Come to the
coming
to
1 minute.
come to the village?
Come to the village.
The three men
Came
to the
village
to cut
trees.
trees.
You must learn in your mind. Village. Don't say village, village. Village. Thank you, Rita. Now, I want to know whether everybody finished. I'm waiting for you. I want everybody to finish. Yes. Please sit up straight, Joshika. Those who finished can sit up straight, so I will know. I told you for handwriting in EVS, Maths, English. One date I will tell you, you have to take the photocopy, not now, in the month of October. 10 marks you will be getting for that. So please write neatly within that double rule. Blue line. Here, just leave the first line, you just see the letters. I want you to see the letters. That's what I didn't do cursive joining. Only the print I just gave, but the letters are the correct ones. Okay. Now, very good, Riha. Keep the book down. Riha. Still, some children are writing, so I'm just waiting. After writing, you must sit up straight. Then I will know. Kushagra finished writing, I think so, because he's resting. Okay, Jeff. Did you complete, Jeff? Where is Tarush K? Tarush.
Yes,
Jeff. Okay, Jeff. Tarush. Many are not there in the class. Tarush, you have to attend all the classes. Okay, now. Sujin, are you there, Sujin?
Yes, ma'am.
Good. Because I cannot see everybody. When I call you, only you will come. Okay, we'll go back to the next one. Now I want Sangareknam. Where is Sangareknam? She's not there. Sri Mukilan, where are you? I haven't seen you for a long time. Sri Mukilan. Come on, Sri Mukilan. Sri Mukilan. Where is he? Come on. Yes, turn on your camera. Come. Okay, tell. Read the first question. Sri Mukilan is not there. Sri Mukilan, please come. I just want you to read this. Alan, okay, Sri Mukilan is there. Where? Why is he not coming? Sri Mukilan, okay, Sri Mukilan. Please read the first question and the answer.
First question, buddy.
How?
Not how. Who?
Who built their homes in the geometry?
Yeah, answer.
Answer.
Don't repeat,
The
ma'am. Please
birds
leave him alone, ma'am. All the children are hearing your voice.
In the geometry.
Read once again, Sri Mukilan. The birds
The birds
built
their
nest.
in the geometry.
Why I'm not scolding the parents? Because you all are not going to write tests for them. When you are whispering, it's disturbing the whole class. You can teach them after my class. Please, parents, cooperate with me. Now, I want Kushagra to read the second question and the answer. Kushagra, please read. Second question. Good. Come on. I don't want anybody's help. Yeah.
Why did the three men
Come.
come to the village?
Yes. The three men. The three men came
Came
to the village.
to the village.
Don't say village. 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 For what? All these from the question. To cut trees. Say to cut trees. Don't think that we are going to give you this. Okay, to cut trees. Good. We'll go to the next one. Number 3. Those who do not leave a line. Number 3. Those who do not have space, go to the next one. Next page. Actually, you have to give a pause after 2. Who did? The person who did. Karan and Karim. It's capital K, also capital. Karan K capital. Same way, right? Karim, children. By mistake, it's small letter. Karim, go to for help. Who did Karan and Karim go to for help? Just how you wrote Karan K, same way you write Karim. Never mind, children, you can change. All of you know the capital letters. Karan and Karim. Write capital K. You know to write. That's by mistake, okay? I just couldn't. I didn't see it. Karan and Karim. Capital K. Because all will be disturbed. So just write K capital. How you wrote Karan. Karan is correct. Same way Karim. Go to for help. After go to, you have to say for help. Who did Karan and Karim go to for help? I want Mishti to answer. Mishti,
Yes, ma'am.
can you tell me who did Karan? Karan and Karim went to somebody for help.
Karan and Karan goes to a
Listen. Did go. So past tense of go. Past tense, you must write the past tense of go.
okay, ma'am.
Tell me. Karan and Karim.
Goes
Not go, not go. Tell me the past tense of go. Okay, 1 minute. Effie, can you tell me? 1 minute, wait. Can you tell me the past tense of go?
It's gone.
No, no. Go past tense.
Went.
Went. Good. Now, Mishti, I'm coming back to who said? John. Joansri. Good. 1 minute.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, 1 minute now. Joansri, turn off your mic. Effie. Okay, good. Thank you. Now, I'm coming back to Mishti. Tell me, Mishti, what is the answer? Karan and Karim. Karan went.
Dad.
To who?
Dad, ma'am.
No. Their teacher. Who did? Karan and Karim. See here, correct K. So just change that Karim. Listen to me when I'm speaking, Mishti. Simply don't say go, go, go. Karan and Karim, read after me.
Karan and Karim
Went to their teacher
went to their teacher
for help.
for help.
It's very easy. Already Karan and Karim, it's written there. Instead of go, went. To who? To their teacher for help. Please write, children. Thank you, Mishti. Karan and Karim went to their teacher for help. No, no, please. Please write. Karan and Karim. Slowly. Now, John, did you write, John? Only when I'm calling, you're writing. Tell me the third question. Don't see the screen. From your book. From your notebook, you read third question.
Who did Karan and Karim go to for help?
See, you're very, very good in reading. You must write fast. Okay, good boy. Right.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay, now. Mitra, read third question and the answer.
Who did
Who
Karan,
did?
who
And
did
Karan.
Karan and Karim go to for help? And Karan and Karim went to their teacher for help.
Please put a full stop. And I'm not happy because you did not come on the screen. What happened to your camera? What happened? Ah, you're playing now. Okay, Mitra, good. Now, after this, draw one line. 3 questions and answers. Today, I'm going to make you all read it. Now, I want Joshika to read after writing third question and the answer. Joshika,
Yes, ma'am.
please read the third question.
Who did Karin and Karim go to for
Karan.
help?
First one is Karan. Read Karan.
Karin and Karim go to for help.
Yeah. You have to pause. Go to. For what? For help. Okay. Read the answer from the screen or from your notebook.
Karin and Karim went
Listen. No, ma. First person is Karan. You read Karim also. You must tell the next person Karan. Karan and Karim. Say
Karin and Karim.
again. Karan. 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 Say Karan.
Karin.
Karan and Karim.
And Karim went to their
Yes.
teacher for help.
Very good. Now I want Manu Chakravarti to read third question and answer. I want to know whether they are present here. Manu Chakravarti. Manu. Where are you, Manu? No. Manu. Lokesh. Lokesh. Ritik Pranav. I've seen Ritik.
Yes, ma'am.
Please read third question and answer, Ritik.
Who did Karan and Karim go to for help?
Jamima.
Karan and Karim went to the teacher for help.
Good, very good. Now, Jamima, where are you, Jamima? She sent one message over there, something. She's joining the class or something. Jamima, where are you? Okay, now we'll go back. Now, hope all would have written all the 3 question and answer. Just lift your book. Then I will tell you, yes, you can keep it down. I'll call the name. Please show me the notebook Samantha wrote. All of you, yeah. Sujin, show me. Very good, Sujin. Draw a line after third answer. If you have any doubt, you can go back to the recording and see. Mitra, good. When I say good and your name, you must keep it down. John Matthew, good. But after question, you did not leave a line, John. Pratika, yeah. The camera is okay. Good. No, CFE. Start with the capital letter, the birds. Capital letter answer, the birds. Please start all the answers with a capital. Yes, Sri Mukilan. I cannot see anything. Just one by one. Just show it properly. Sri Mukilan, okay. Samantha, good. Ritik, okay. Efi, you must be very careful because you will lose mark if you don't start with a capital letter. End with the, yes, Kevin, good. Very silent. Sujin, okay. Where is Shaina? Shaina, good. Draw a line after third answer. Now, please wait. Yes, Mr. Yes. Okay, good. Okay, now, Abhisha. Now, listen, stop. Stop showing now. I want to call out the names for special class children. Okay, I will call. Don't say thank you now. 1 minute, wait.
Ma'am, me.
Now listen, please.
Ma'am,
When I speak.